One of these AI tools is so dangerous, people are buying separate computers just to run it. I'm Ben Angel, best-selling author of The Wolf is at the Door, and I help entrepreneurs become unstoppable by mastering both AI and themselves. And today I'm going to show you 7 incredible AI tools you've probably never heard of. Now, if you're one of the 70,000 on my email list who downloaded my free guide from the link below, the 40 wild ways to use ChatGPT, you already know AI's only limit is your imagination. But today I'm handing you the keys to the next level of AI tools and free prompts that can completely transform your business. And we're kicking off with the most controversial one of all, OpenClaw. It's blowing up right now. Entrepreneurs are experimenting with it everywhere. And there are serious security risks that you need to understand before you download it. People are literally buying dedicated Mac Minis just to run this thing. Why? Because OpenClaw works like a digital employee inside of your computer. It can open files, control apps, scrape leads, automate admin, even run tasks in the background. Think of it like hiring an assistant that never sleeps. Sounds pretty incredible, right? But here's the problem. This employee has access to everything: your files, passwords, inbox, your entire system. Even Meta's head of AI safety tested it, and it started deleting emails after forgetting an instruction. Think about that. I talk about this critical phase in my AI book. So if you experiment with OpenClaw, treat it like a wild animal and cage it. Run it on a brand new machine with zero personal data, never on your main computer. And if you're not technical, this isn't something to casually play with. The updates are coming hard and fast, with changes hitting every single day. The upside to this, it's massive, but so is the risk. Check my blog for the full breakdown on this, it's wild. Now, 6, OpenAI Atlas. Not enough people are talking about this. Atlas is basically Google Chrome with AI built directly into it. Instead of copying and pasting information into a separate chatbot, the AI already sees the page that you're working on. That means your prompts get shorter and your workflow gets faster. Better yet, using the agent feature, you can get it to find and reply to Instagram comments you've missed, find targeted lists of podcasts to appear on, and my favorite, predict viral trends before they go viral to generate more leads. Here are the prompts you'll need. Screenshot them or grab them from the link in my bio. You'll need this prompt to go viral, this one to research shows you can get featured on, and this prompt to find unrealized business in your Instagram comments and DMs. Next, Higsfield AI. This one is finally having its moment in the sun for good reason. Everyone thinks you need a production team to make cinematic videos for social media or ad campaigns. You don't. Higsfield is an AI platform that lets you upload a photo, a clip, or type a simple prompt, and it turns it into a Hollywood-style video. You can also create AI influencers or clone yourself. For a solo founder, that means ads, product demos, and brand content without the cost or chaos. It's basically a creative studio built for one person. Pretty useful, right? Now, Claude Cowork. Unlike OpenClaw that operates like an autonomous operator with broad system control, Claude Cowork functions more like a supervised employee working within defined boundaries on your computer. It's not just a chatbot that gives answers, but one that actually does the work. Instead of asking AI how to do something, you give it a task, organize your files, analyze documents, build reports, research data, and it executes step by step using your own folders and tools. Personally, I can do the same thing with ChatGPT Atlas in agent mode. And because all of my files are stored in Google Drive, it's a much simpler solution. Next, we have Base 44. You might have an idea for an app, but you don't have the budget for a developer or the technical know-how. Base 44 fixes this. You type what you want your app to do, and it builds out the entire system for you. Pages, logic, database, hosting, even user permissions. It is software creation through conversation. That means you can build internal tools, client dashboards, social media dashboards, automation systems, and even start up prototypes without hiring a developer. Moving to number 6, Notebook LLM. You've probably already heard about this one, but you're not making the most out of it yet. Most entrepreneurs that I know are drowning in information. PDFs, research, meeting notes, reports, and nothing actually gets used. Notebook LLM tackles this one head on. Think of it like an AI research assistant trained only on your documents. You upload your files and it reads everything, understands the context, and gives you your answers based on your own data. You can create flashcards, presentations, and training material for your VA or your clients in seconds. That means you can ask it to summarize reports, find hidden insights, generate strategies, or even turn messy research into a clear, but most importantly, visual action plan that will actually get used. Finally, number 1, if you're training new staff or a VA like me, then Scribe is your go-to. Scribe watches your screen while you work and instantly turns your actions into a step-by-step guide, complete with screenshots, clicks, and directions. So instead of explaining a process 100 times, you just do the task once. It's perfect for onboarding clients, training teams, creating SOPs. It even has an interactive Guide Me feature. This means your teammate can't get it wrong. You explain it once, share the link, and Scribe steps your teammate through the entire process. Bottom line, use these AI tools carefully, especially when it comes to tools like OpenClaw. They're more powerful than they look, and power without strategy is just risk. And if you're ready to move beyond experimenting and start building real leverage, you already know where to find the playbook that has helped thousands of entrepreneurs go from AI rookie to future maker.